May check.
Yung credit card namin yung American Express.
Amex lang talaga. Sige, check na lang. And ito, yung mga basura nandito para mamaya itapon nila.
Akala ko leaving na eh. We will leave na, lalay.
Init. Oh, hi guys. Diyan pala kayo. Alright, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Samahan nyo ako throughout the day. So medyo marami tayong errands ngayon. Well, not really so much naman. Pero may mga errands tayong gagawin this Saturday morning. Number one, we're now headed to Natalia's school para i-enroll siya. So today is the last day. Buzzer beater na naman as always. And then number two, maybe we can have the car washed. And then third is today's my lola's birthday. So yeah, samahan nyo kami mag-celebrate. Today is her 99th birthday. Yes, 99 is a milestone, guys. So yeah, so samahan nyo ako throughout the day. And let's see how the day is going to be. Hopefully maging okay lahat. Sobrang init, guys. The car is under the sun. And teka, open ko lang yung window. Yan, para hindi naman ako maluto. Alright, seatbelt muna tayo. Now, let's go. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Maluwag ang kalye. So, wala pang build up. Well, it's a Saturday, so I expect na maluwag talaga ngayon. So yeah, see you there sa school. Maluwag. Siguro dito na lang tayo. Bilisan na lang natin para, kasi alam ko nagka-clamp sila dito and medyo strict. Let's go. Oh. Sobrang init. It's just 10 o'clock in the morning pero grabe na yung init. Akala ko patapos na yung summer kasi medyo nag-uulan this past few days. But yeah, summer pa pala talaga. Alright, so we're already inside. Gosh, kala ko sarado. Sabi sarado yung registrar. Sa cashier pala ako pupunta. Kasi for payment na lang si Natalia. So let's see. Here you go. Cashier. Hi, good morning. For payment, ano pala yung mga mode of payments na accepted?
Check.
May check.
Yung credit card namin yung American Express.
Amex lang talaga. Sige, check na lang.
Nakuha niyo na yung report card na.
Report card, parang not sure. I'll have to ask the mom. If, parang di pa yata. Ayan, nandiyan pa.
Yes sir, wait lang sir.
Sige.
Meron na kayong total amount to pay?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Sorry. Hindi ko nadala yung ano
Hindi
namin.
kayo nag-assess online.
Nag-assess naman, pero nasa wife ko yung total.
Sir, yung report.
Thank you.
1,000.
Alright, we're done enrolling Natalia. Medyo pinawisan ako, guys, kasi on the spot ako nagsulat ng check. Oh my gosh, sobrang init. Baka init sa Pilipinas. Pero ayoko rin naman pag umuulan kasi sobrang putik. Sobrang weird lang talaga, guys. Okay, so na-enroll na natin si Natalia. All goods for this school year. Siya ay grade 2 na. Ang bilis ng panahon. And then we have an upcoming baby. Another gastos na naman, guys. Kailangan magbanat ng buto talaga. Magtrabaho ng magtrabaho. Oh my gosh. So now, let's go to the car wash. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan ako magpapa-car wash today. Stoplight lang tayo. Stoplight. Dito tayo sa McDonald's, Madison. So we're crossing, or rather, we're turning left here to Ortigas Avenue towards En Domingo. Going to LG2. We're almost here, guys. I just hope na walang pila para matapos na tayo agad. Yes, I think walang pila. Usually dyan palang kita mo na sa corner eh. Ito eh. Yun, wala. I think meron lang isa. Hopefully we can get in right away. LG2. So I normally car wash every once a week. And then I make it a point na magwa-wax din at least once a month. Kasi yung gamit kong wax right now is a graphene type of wax. So medyo matagal naman siya sa body. Hindi siya agad-agad natatanggal. So waiting daw tayo, guys, pangalawa. Pero mabilis lang to. So I think after nitong white tayo na. And then later on, I'll have to check my tire pressure kasi dito sa monitor ko, it says 29 yung nasa rear left. So medyo mababa siya. Not sure if napako or what. Pero I think ano lang, malambot. Kasi I normally do my tire pressure every... Pinapatabi tayo, guys. Para hindi tayo masagi ng truck. Thanks, kuya. Okay. So as I was saying, malambot nga yung gulong. So check natin sa sakto. Uni oil. Papagas na rin ako. Medyo ano na rin tayo, half tank. Siguro while waiting, ayusin ko lang muna yung yung loob para at least hindi ganun kagulo kapag binacuum. Alright. So nalinis na natin. Wala na mga kalat sa upuan. Yan. Oh, may shoes pa pala si Nate at saka socks. And ito, yung mga basura nandito para mamaya itapon nila. So sa ilalim, iwan na lang muna. Tidy. Kailangan lang i-tidy para kapag binacuum siya, tatabi na lang. Okay. We're good. Pakita ko lang tong shades ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi yung mata ko kasi may grado. So I can't just wear any kind of shades or sunglasses. So ito, snap-on lang siya. Ayan. So this was gifted to me by my sister. And super sulit kasi wala akong ibang sunglasses na magamit. Kundi ito lang. Kasi if not, hindi ako makakakita if I wear a different sunglasses. So ayan, snap-on lang siya, guys. Ang cool, 'di ba? So dati nakikita ko lang to sa uncle ko, sa dad ko, mga tingin ko mga pang oldies kasi sila may mga eyeglasses sila. So they also can't wear any type of sunglasses. So yeah. Alright, so it's our turn na, guys. Pasok pa tayo. Okay. Saan tayo pupwesto? Alright. Thanks, kuya. Open the moonroof shade para mapunasan. Close this. Okay. Hi kuya, car wash lang?
Car wash mo lang? Sige po.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Tapos na tayo guys. Bilhin na lang siguro tayo ng food for lunch. Kasi wala kaming food. Before anything else, pag-gas muna tayo tsaka magpahangin sa Unioil. So this is actually my favorite gas station because may discount. Using my SNR card. Hi kuya, 95 po automatic.
90.
Tapos SNR po.
SNR po.
Apo.
Okay.
Salamat.
Okay. 95 sir. Full tank po automatic.
So ang discount ng SNR sa Unioil ay 5 pesos I think for 95 octane. So right now, ang price is 55.95 pesos. So minus 5. That's gonna be 50 pesos na lang per liter. Sobrang sulit na rin, di ba guys? That's 5 pesos off. And pag parati kang full tank, mas malaking savings of course. Wait na lang natin and then pahangin tayo. Sobrang galing ng management ng Unioil guys. Kasi pati yung mga billboards nila, talagang kinukuskus, nililinisan. No?
Kaya ito sa gulong.
Hangin na lang po. 33 po lahat. Buta na lang ni-remind tayo ni Kuya ng hangin. Muntik ko na makalimutan. Ayan. After this, we're gonna go to Jollibee. Kasi yun yung cravings naman nila ngayon. They want burger steak. Actually, ako nag-suggest. Medyo nag-crave ako ng burger steak. Kuya, salamat po. Thank you. Okay. Let's now go to Jollibee. Dami kong mga binanggit na brands. But these are not sponsored brands, guys. Talagang ito lang yung mga go-to natin. And we're happy to actually promote them online. Call Janiel Tanchico.
Do you want to use Messenger or phone?
Phone.
Huh?
B.
Hmm?
Burger steak, how many pieces?
Sinate 1 piece, ako 2 piece.
2 pieces.
No fries, no drinks.
Okay. Sige. Bye.
Okay.
Alright, we're now here at Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Jollibee, bilang saya. Oh my gosh. Mukhang hindi multitasker si ate. Mukhang matagal pa. Hindi pa ako masyado sanay na itutok yung camera sa akin, guys. So, minsan nakaganyan, minsan nakaganon.
Hi, Julia. Welcome to Jollibee Drive-Thru.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi. Medyo nagkakagulo na sila, guys. Lunchtime, understandable. To think na burger steak is always ordered at Jollibee. Medyo... Thank you.
May gravy na po ba? Sir, may gravy na po ba? Wala pa ba?
Up. Wala pa yata. Thank you. Orders complete, guys. So let's head home. Dahil ako'y gutom na rin. Okay. Sana hindi tayo mag-gutter. I think mag-gutter tayo. Stop. Wait na lang natin. Sobrang bango ng Jollibee, guys. Nakakagutom. So hungry. Finally, we're home, guys. So, yeah.
We even had a picture of him at the circus.
Lunch is ready!
Yay!
Alright, so we're now ready to go to Lola's 99th birthday. Outfit check muna tayo. So this is going to be my outfit. Simple lang, guys, kasi bahay lang naman yun eh. So yeah, kita-kits tayo doon, guys. Sama ba kayo? Huwag na. O sige na. Joke lang. Sige, sama kayo. Kita-kits doon. Bye! Is everybody in here?
Yup.
Okay, are you excited to see your cousins? Talia? Who are you most excited? To see Lola or your cousins?
My cousins.
Oh my. It's Lola's birthday today.
Oh,
You should be excited to see Lola. Grabe, sobrang haba ng motorcade niya.
Why they won?
Tapos yung iba walang helmet. Ayos ba yun? Huwag niyong iboto to, guys, ha? Hindi effective leadership o walang helmet yung mga riders nila, oh. Ayan, oh, mga walang helmet, oh.
Does that mean that
Oh.
that won?
No, not yet. The elections is going to be on Monday. So, tomorrow.
Saturday.
Today is Saturday, tomorrow
There's
Sunday,
Sunday, and then
Monday. That's when the election is.
No, don't be stuck there. Go the other side.
Because we're turning right. So we have to be on this lane. That lane, the other lane here is turning left. See?
I wish we were on a motorcycle.
Those are the rules of the road.
Those are the road boring.
Just a quick update, guys. Nandito na tayo sa village. However, we just needed to buy rice.
White rice. White rice.
What did we need to
Of course,
buy?
white rice. No
White
brown rice.
Because, why?
Because there's only there's only a little bit of white rice.
And what rice do we have there in Kingsville? Brown rice. And you don't like brown rice, right?
It's disgusting.
We
Yeah.
don't like brown rice.
A lot of them doesn't like the... Actually, it's not brown rice. It's red rice.
No, it's brown rice.
Ganon. Nakuha na namin yung kanin, guys. And, yeah. Nakita namin yung may-ari nung karinderya. Suki kami doon nung nakatira pa kami dito. So, doon kami bumibili ng ulam. At na
Nakakamiss nga yun, no?
merienda. Ano ba yung famous na, ano niya, na delicacy niya? I mean, na potahe niya, yung ulam.
Bagnet.
Bagnet. nga lahat.
Pork chop masarap.
Masarap siya magluto, actually.
Oh, nobody's swimming.
Uy, walang tao sa clubhouse.
Then turn left.
Hindi na pala sila Katkat eh. My cousin and uncle.
Turn left.
Saan tayo
Sila
mag-park?
Katkat, Ate Arj.
Hanap ka na lang ng park.
Dito, tabi ni Papa Chito. Ganda pa rin ng Mazda, guys, oh. Ganyan yung kotse namin dati. Yun, oh. Pogi.
Aiden is here already.
Pogi ng Mazda. Park muna tayo. Medyo masikip. Just park. Let's meet the whole family. Sama ba kayo, guys? I'll check if makakapag-vlog ako sa loob kasi syempre baka yung iba hindi sila comfortable to be in the video. So, watch out. Let's just check. Hi guys! Nandiyan pa ba kayo?
Living, alive. Kala ko living na eh. May live na, alive. Okay, take picture la. You smile there, oh. Smile. Camera, oh. Paparazzi. There, oh. A lot of, cameras. Good. Oh, good. Pa-artista lang, ah.
Anyway, so hanggang dito na lang guys. See you next time. Follow for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.